If you're over 60, please pause for a moment and listen with your full attention, because what I'm about to tell you may become the turning point for your strength, your balance, and your independence for the next decade of your life. And I say this with the experience of someone who has watched thousands of seniors struggle, fall, weaken, and then finally make a comeback once they understood the truth nobody ever told them. Most seniors believe that walking every day is enough to keep them strong, that steps alone protect them, that movement automatically preserves muscle. But after decades as a surgeon working closely with older adults, I have seen the same heartbreaking pattern again and again. People walking faithfully for years, yet still wobbling during simple turns, freezing for a moment when stepping out of the shower, struggling to rise from a chair, or losing balance on carpets and slopes because walking, while healthy for your heart, fails to activate the exact muscles that protect you from falls, support your joints, and give you the power to lift yourself. And that's the shocking truth most seniors never hear. Walking moves your body forward, but it barely challenges the muscles that help you rise, shift your weight, stabilize your core, and react quickly when the world around you changes. Strength fades not because you stop walking, but because the muscles responsible for lifting and balancing you have gone silent from lack of signal. And if the right signal doesn't reach them, they simply weaken with time. But the beautiful part, the part that brings hope to every senior I've ever treated, is that these muscles wake back up astonishingly fast once you ask them to do the right work. Your body is not done. Your muscles are not gone. Your strength is not lost. It is simply asleep, waiting for a clear message to return to life. And that message comes from 3 simple movements your body already understands. 3 exercises better than walking. 3 surgeon-approved signals that reawaken power, balance, and stability far quicker than most people ever imagine. The first movement is the sit to stand, a deceptively simple action but one of the strongest indicators of independence in older adults. Because walking does not strengthen the muscles that lift you, but this movement does. When you sit near the front of a sturdy chair, feet slightly behind your knees, spine tall, and rise using the power of your heels and thighs, you fire the exact muscles responsible for getting out of a car, rising from toilets, climbing stairs, and transitioning from sitting to standing, moments where most falls begin. And the moment those muscles reactivate, seniors often say they feel younger on their feet within days. The second movement, the standing march with controlled arm swings, retrains your dynamic balance system, the one responsible for stabilizing you when only one leg is working at a time. Walking keeps both legs moving in a predictable pattern, but life is full of moments where one side must stabilize you alone. Turning, stepping over objects, catching yourself after a slip, navigating uneven ground, moving through tight spaces, and changing direction suddenly. Many seniors walk fine in a straight line, yet lose balance the moment they turn because their reaction system has not been trained. And this simple march, knee lifting, core engaging, hips stabilizing, ankles responding, awakens the exact muscles that protect you where most accidents happen. The third movement, the heel raise, reactivates your calves and ankles, the forgotten foundation of every stable step. Nearly half of your walking stability comes from this lower system, but walking barely activates it, and weak calves create a soft, unstable landing that makes you feel like you're walking on pillows instead of firm ground. When you lift your heels slowly, pause, and lower with full control, your entire lower chain begins firing again. Your arch engages, your ankles stabilize, your calves strengthen, and suddenly walking feels smoother, steps feel firmer, and balance feels more secure. These 3 exercises, when practiced consistently, do something walking alone cannot do. They restore the signals that age tries to silence. They reawaken strength in the thighs, power in the hips, stability in the core, responsiveness in the ankles, and confidence in the mind. And confidence is everything, because the moment a senior begins to doubt their balance, the body tightens, movements stiffen, fear increases, and instability worsens, not from weakness alone, but from hesitation. That is why so many seniors who walk every day still struggle with stairs, chairs, and turns. Their power muscles, balance muscles, and reactive stabilizers have not been trained. But the truth I want you to hold on to today is simple. You are not losing strength because of age. You are losing it because the right muscles have not been awakened, and now you know exactly how to wake them up. Picture this: just a few short sessions each week, not hours, not complicated workouts, just 3 simple movements can transform how you stand, how you turn, how you walk, how you step out of bed, how you navigate your home, and how safe you feel every moment of the day. Seniors tell me all the time that after just a week of practicing these movements, they feel an energy and stability they haven't felt in years. They rise from chairs with confidence. They walk into bathrooms without fear. They get out of cars more smoothly. They feel stronger during chores and more stable during everyday movements. And most importantly, they feel hope. Genuine, powerful hope, because they realize their body has not given up on them. It was simply waiting for the right message. Your muscles remember, your balance remembers, your strength remembers. They simply need to be reactivated. So if you are over 60, hear me clearly. Walking keeps you moving, but these exercises keep you capable. Walking builds endurance, but these movements rebuild your foundation. Walking strengthens your heart, but these movements strengthen your life. Your independence is not slipping away. Your stability is not disappearing. Your strength is not fading permanently. It is still inside you, waiting to be awakened. And today, you now have the tools, the knowledge, and the clarity to bring it back. So take a deep breath, lift your chin, and remind yourself with absolute conviction, my strength is still here. I am waking it up. Now, my friend, if this message reached your heart, if you learned something today that empowers your future, comment, I'm starting today. Tap like so more seniors receive this life-changing information, and subscribe to the Seniors Hub for next week's powerful video where I reveal the biggest protein mistake silently weakening seniors over 65. Your body is ready, your strength is ready, and your comeback begins today.